All right, man, here go another slight video. I know it's been a minute, man, but I'm coming back. See, I'm coming back with an install video, long overdue. Was supposed to buy this part a long time ago, just never got around to it. Like I say, I'm about to start back with the car stuff. Been following the channel, Instagram page. You see, pretty much same car. Haven't done nothing besides the things you've already seen on the channel. I did wash the car yesterday. Cleaned the inside out, deep cleaned all that. And I do got these floor mats too. I'm gonna put in here. Y'all see, man. Red eye. Yeah, man. Official. Yeah, these gonna look way better. Like I say, just got the standard ones that came in the car, and those are just regularly dirty. Like I said, I cleaned the car out, clean. Inside clean. Basically brand new car, man. Let me flip that. Still brand new. You can see 21,000 miles. Like I said, cleaned it yesterday. Gotta go vacuum it though, and then I'm put the mats in. But today we are installing a LEGMAKER. Y'all see, man. And I cleaned the engine bay yesterday, so y'all see, man, it's super clean. I'm glad, you know what, and this just don't never come clean, but that's getting swapped out today. But everything else look brand new, man. Like I said, y'all see it shining. All right, so you see this, everything that comes in the box. Not too many pieces, simple. 2 brackets, fucking 2 right here, filter, another 2 right here, and it cover, you know, the freeze that, read that if y'all want to. Filter that goes over this right here. So didn't come with no instructions, but you see it's only about 7-8 pieces. Real simple. You pretty much taking this out, and swapping that out for that right here. I'm gonna just double check, watch the video, come back, and still give y'all the step-by-step. Shouldn't be too much. And then do a driving video. And I got a GoPro, so I'm gonna mount a GoPro on the outside of the car, and I'll probably record the inside so you kind of hear it. Probably won't be able to hear it too much on the inside, but nonetheless, man, stay tuned. About to get this installed, show you what it look like, show you what it sound like, and that'll be pretty much it. I could not find my socket wrench kit, so I'm gonna have to pretty much just use this. Obviously, you have socket wrench, and it go way quicker, but first thing you're gonna want to do is remove this part right here. You have to take this bolt off. You have to remove this from here, and pretty much once you take this bolt off, you should be able to lift this part up, and you're gonna have to loosen this clamp right here. You don't have to worry about this one because this whole box should be able to come out once you undo this, lift this, and unscrew this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this out pretty much, and I'm gonna come back and tell you how I did it. So like I said before, pretty much once you take this bolt out, I did use this wrench. Like I said, you got a socket wrench to come out way quicker, but pretty much this bolt is the only thing holding this whole airbox down. So once you take the bolt out from right here, the airbox just lifts right out from there. You can pop this off from the inside and then pull the airbox out and then take this part off, or take the whole piece out together. It comes out that easy. And then you also gotta remove the sensor from here, which I already did. I'll show you where I put that. And then you gotta remove this tube off this piece. This piece is already installed on the new hose over there, but you do gotta take the sensor out from here. So like I say, this is the sensor right here. You see it right there. And then this is the piece that's already on there, because you just gotta remove this tube, and it's gonna connect to that new piece right there. So I'm out here trying to jimmy this part off. Once I get this part off, I pick the camera back up and show you where I'm at. Finally got that piece off, y'all. I'm gonna tell you right now, you're gonna have to warm this up. Hair dryer, lighter, you're gonna have to warm this up. You can't just pull it straight off. I also tried to stick a flathead in here to jimmy it off, but that didn't help too much. So I did just use the lighter to heat it up a little bit. So I got that part off. So now I got all the original parts out. Like I said, it's only the tube and the airbox. You just gotta make sure you remove the sensor from here, and that's the only piece that you gotta transition from the original pieces to that piece, because everything else is included in the kit. So all right, yo, so it's a week later. So I had the wrong coupler size. I had to have them send me the right size. I'm gonna pick up where I left off at. So I'm gonna actually just put this on and just tell you what to do step by step. It's pretty self-explanatory. I can't recall what I recorded last week, but y'all will see that before all this shit right here. So we're gonna go ahead and get this part in, and then I'm gonna give y'all a video of what it sounds like, some flybys, in cabin, under the hood, all that, man. So we'll go ahead and get this in. I'm gonna show y'all how I did it after I put it in. All right, so you see I got it in. It's pretty much 3-4 easy steps. You put the first coupler on, tighten this part up, and then you put the bracket over this coupler, slide the intake hose into the coupler, tighten this piece up. You're gonna snap back on this sensor and jimmy back on this tube right here. It's definitely easier to put it back on than it was taking it off. And I also got this cover that goes over here. So I'm gonna crank it up, rev it a couple of times, show y'all what it sounds like, and possibly, you'll see it in the clip after this, I may put the GoPro on top of the hood and do a little driving or whatnot. If not this video, definitely would do in the next video. But nonetheless, this is pretty much a step-by-step on how to install the LEGMAKER intake, take out the factory, install the LEGMAKER. Pretty much it, man. Definitely got way more content on the way. Y'all stay tuned, man.
Was on my grind, it was my time, I ain't think twice, I paid that price and we did this, nigga. Police storm at me, charges never stick. Fucking niggas up in Vegas, like pocket 96, 11 past 11.